Now I'm sick of using half a tube or a bit of a tube, so I'm decided that I'm going to glue the end of my thing up so it stops the air getting in, and
everybody's probably tried this trick, the old bolt in the end of the screw, some tape wrapped around it to stop the bolt from coming out. It still ends up curing down the end here, but then it's still good from there on. But they never last long.
I guess you could use wax, even if you wanted to melt some wax on the end.
Or I'd put a bit of rubber around the end sometimes and put a zippy tie on it. It's the same as glue on the end, but this still tends to leak or dry up.
It stops the air getting to it.
These are the best if you can get them. I don't know why. They don't just make them like that continuously.
Sealed basically, so hopefully that should work. If not, if you didn't want to use the nozzle, you could always do it up there, I guess. But that'll go cold, and that'll prevent. It'll be just like having the plastic cap on the end.